Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today, yeah guys, this is it. This might be the Q60's last ride. Hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. If you are new to the Boost in Motion channel, guys, you know what to do already. Watch the video, and if you enjoy the video, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification. And if you're a returning Boost in Motion family, you already know what to do. You already part of the like squad. Let's continue with the like squad, and let's continue to have these likes up. Your likes is one of the best way to show back the appreciation you have for the Boost in Motion channel. One of the ways, guys, let's jump into it. So if you guys have already don't know, yes, we fully demodded the Infiniti Q60 from pretty much a 600 horsepower car in E30 back down to 300 horsepower. So today, we're going to be going to Carmax in Edison, New Jersey to see if we can get an estimate. Now, I already came out with a video about a month ago, and I got an estimate on how much they would give to me for my car if it was fully stocked. And it was about $30,000 to $31,000. So we're gonna go to Carmax and see if they can honor that. Back in it, man. Back in this car, man. Whew. It's been a journey with this car. A freaking journey. This car, the reason why this car is gonna have a place in my heart is because it's my first coupe. And it's a car that I wanted to get. You know, out of all the coupes out there that I can afford, this is one of the coupes I've always wanted to get, to own. And I gotta tell you guys, I gotta really let you guys know, you guys don't learn to appreciate something until it's going or finally gone or whatever you want to say it is. Like this car has definitely showed me a lot. You know, this is the first car that was fully sponsored on this channel by AAM Competition. We literally dynoed the car. We worked with one of the best tuners for the VR30 platform, Hussein from Go Race Bots, and Alex. Gotta throw out Alex in there too. And it's been a great freaking journey, and I freaking loved it. You know, I've learned to appreciate this car on just a regular level of just 300 horsepower. This is a great daily driver car. If you just want a regular daily driver, this car is definitely it. Man, this car has really shown me, and I'm just so proud of it, man. I'm just so proud of it. All right, guys, so this is one of the last times you're gonna see this car next to this one. Man, this car, I'm not gonna lie to you, was a great car. I really enjoyed it. Twin turbo V6 all-wheel drive, one of the best looking coupes out here. Look at that, man. This car really treated me so well. I love it. I love this car. I love the looks. Very modern, up-to-date car. And honestly, I think it's a great bang for its buck. But the bad part is, it really isn't any bad part. But when you're a YouTuber like me, and you're really into cars like me, cars like this just outshadow it. You know, yes, we talk about the B58 340s, 440s. Yes, they're very comparable to this car. Yes, go to air, make similar power, similar performance. Right now, this platform, Q50, Q60 is running around mid-10s with air-to-air kit. Shout out to Bonnie and Clyde. But the amount of effort you have to put into running a 10.6, 10.5, I hate to say it, a red-eye Hellcat on tire does that all day, every day. I know that's only at the track, but max effort performance, you get those times. But that's great knowing that this car came from basically a car that traps like 109, 105, all the way up to almost 125, 130. That's a huge improvement. So the potential's there. But when you want to look at 700, 800, 900 wheel, you know, we're talking about GTRs, built motors, built trans, you know, they spend a lot of money. You can get that performance out of these cars. It's going to cost you a little bit of money, but a lot more affordable. And at that point, is this chassis really built for that 700, 800, 900 wheel horsepower. I mean, remember, this is mainly just a coupe and sedan Q50, Q60, $30,000, $40,000 car, you know. But I've learned to appreciate cars like this. I take this car with my setup, proper 150. The car, you can set up this coilovers as much as you want. The car is just not built for that type of high-end speed, to go cruise at that speed. This car, all day, relaxed, comfortable, no problem, no issues. And I could just imagine what an E63 does. So just that a bare bones C-Class, and they just put a V8 in it, and, you know, add some more suspension components, and boom, the car's ready to go. I think Infiniti has a lot more longer to go if they want to build high-performance cars, because remember, this isn't a high-performance car. This is just a luxury-ish coupe with a little bit of sport in it. Remember that. This is not a sports car. I basically took a 300 horsepower car and doubled the amount of power out of it. Always remember that. But anyways, I'm still waiting for my boy. I just wanted to talk with you guys a little bit, and let's continue. Alright guys, they're doing the estimate real quick. And they're taking a look, going through the same options you would do online, and we're gonna see what turns out from here. Alright guys, so we're here, we're talking, we're in front of Carmax, and yep, guys, that is it. The Q60 is gone, and I'm gonna be honest with you, super honest. The car sold for $31,000. Now, this car was a finance car, so it did have a loan on it. And of course, I have positive equity. So I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, I drove this car for free for about a year and 4 or 5 months. Remember, I got this car December of 2020, January of 2021, and I now sold it in May of 2022 for exactly the same price that I got it for. So this market is a different market. I didn't think this was gonna happen, but the car is fully sold with the scratches, marks, and everything. And remember guys, I posted this car up on the used market with all the AAM competition, bolt-on parts, fully tuned E30, almost $10,000 in modifications for $37,000. I tried to pass that savings on to someone else, but now the car's gonna be sold for Carmax, and I'm gonna look and see when it pops up. Maybe one of you guys might buy it, and I'll send you guys the flash tune and everything like that at an additional price. But outside that, guys, I'm actually pretty happy. I have to go deposit the check now because I thought that they only sent the money off as a payoff amount, and the check from them goes directly to my bank account. So they pay me and they pay them. Yep. So now it's time to see what's the next car we're getting. Maybe a G37, maybe E63, maybe an M3. We'll wait and see. But outside that, guys, we have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you for always banging with your boy Boost. And for the people who think that I'm not still helping out the Infiniti community, you guys are stupid. What's wrong with y'all? Stop being dumb. So guys, appreciate it. You have a good day. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.